Okay, I'm going to show you how to upload your statements to Autoentry when you want to get them converted to a format that you can import into SortMyBooks. So in your Autoentry, you're going to go to Bank Statement and click on Upload. And click the drop down on Project and click on Add Project. I add project. I might be doing something wrong, but the reason I'm doing it is because if I don't, they tend to append the transactions to the previous statement, and I don't want that. So you give it a name, like let's say Anne credit card, July 2021, and add. So to upload it, and once you get that green check mark, you can cancel out of here. That's done. So now Autoentry is going to spend some time converting that. They don't usually take long, as long as your format is good, you know, that you've got a good PDF. But let's say you're ready to come back now, and what you're looking for is you're looking for your project name to be here, and then you'll see this download here. So in order to download, this is the most important. You click download and you scroll down to find the SortMyBooks format. That's key. So you're clicking the SortMyBooks format and it's going to download that for you. So now next you're going to go back into SortMyBooks. Okay, so back in SortMyBooks, you're going to click on Accounts, you're going to click on Statement, Import Bank Statements. So you choose the account that you're importing, and you click the drop down, make sure the Import From says File, and then this is crucial, the format. Click the drop down on Format, click the STMT, Autoentry, and Statement Rec, and you click here into File, and you select your file, and then you click Import.